What happens when a sleek, quiet gaming powerhouse goes head-to-head with a loud, in-your-face performance monster? Today we're pitting the Razer Blade 16 against the Gigabyte Aorus Master 16. Watch to the end to find out which laptop is the ultimate champion and which one you should buy. Don't forget to like this video, it helps a ton. All the latest prices are linked in the description below. In examining the build quality and design of the Razer Blade 16 and the Gigabyte Aorus Master 16, it becomes immediately apparent that these two laptops are built with fundamentally different priorities. The Razer Blade 16 represents a philosophy of premium refinement and portability. Its chassis is a marvel of engineering, crafted from a single block of CNC-milled unibody aluminum. This construction results in a laptop that feels incredibly dense, rigid, and solid, with no discernible flex in the lid or keyboard deck. Razer has significantly slimmed down the 2025 model, making it approximately 30% smaller in overall volume compared to its predecessor. This slimming effort, combined with a signature matte black finish that is both sleek and understated, gives the Blade 16 an air of high-end craftsmanship. The laptop is noticeably lighter than previous versions, making it far more practical for daily transport. Its design is sleek and minimalist, aimed at users who appreciate a device that looks as professional as it performs, akin to a gaming-focused MacBook Pro. In stark contrast, the Gigabyte Aorus Master 16 is a laptop built for brute force, where cooling and performance take precedence over a thin and light design. Gigabyte has embraced a chunky form factor, resulting in a chassis that is unapologetically bulky and heavy, pushing past 6 pounds and measuring over 1.1 inches thick. While a good portion of the exterior is made of brushed aluminum, giving it a premium aesthetic, the lid is prone to scratches and scuffs with everyday use, which can detract from its overall appearance over time. The Aorus Master 16's size and weight make it a device that is better suited for a desk than for a backpack, a direct consequence of Gigabyte's decision to prioritize internal space for superior cooling. This design choice may appeal to those who seek uncompromised performance and are willing to sacrifice portability and elegance, but it lacks the refined, sleek feel of the Blade 16. When it comes to connectivity, both laptops offer a solid selection of ports to meet the needs of gamers and creators, but with some key distinctions in their offerings and layout. The Razer Blade 16 provides an excellent and well-rounded array of options for a slim machine. It includes 2 versatile USB 4, Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports for legacy peripherals, and an HDMI 2.1 port capable of supporting 4K output at 120 Hz. For creators, the inclusion of a UHS-2 SD card reader is a significant benefit. The laptop also features a 3.5mm audio combo jack and a power port. A notable advantage is the spare M.2 SSD slot, which allows for convenient future storage expansion. The ports are smartly distributed on both sides of the chassis, ensuring that cables remain neat and out of the way. The Gigabyte Aorus Master 16, despite its larger frame, also offers a reasonable port selection. It includes 2 USB 4 Type-C ports, with one supporting the cutting-edge Thunderbolt 5 standard, 2 USB-A 3.2 ports, and an HDMI 2.1 port. For wired networking, it features an Ethernet RJ45 port, which is a welcome inclusion for those who prioritize a stable, low-latency connection for competitive gaming. It also has a headphone-microphone combo jack and an SD card reader. While the port selection is functional, the Aorus Master 16's larger chassis doesn't necessarily translate to a more extensive port array compared to the Blade 16. The Razer's inclusion of a UHS-2 card reader is a professional-grade touch that some creators might find more useful than a standard SD card reader. The spare M.2 slot on the Blade also provides a clear advantage for users planning on upgrading their storage down the line. In evaluating the display and other core features, it is clear that both manufacturers have prioritized a high-end visual experience, but their approaches to the overall user interaction differ. Both laptops feature a stunning 16-inch 2560 by 1600 QHD+ OLED display with a 240 Hz refresh rate, delivering the deep blacks, vibrant colors, and superb contrast that are hallmarks of OLED technology. The panels on both machines are excellent for both gaming and content creation, with tight pixel density that ensures razor-sharp images. The Razer Blade 16's screen is bright and vibrant, with its HDR and color performance providing a truly immersive experience. The Gigabyte Aorus Master 16 also boasts a fantastic OLED panel that makes HDR content look great without needing constant adjustments. Both displays are among the very best you can find in a gaming laptop and are a definite highlight of each machine. When it comes to the keyboard and touchpad, the differences between the two laptops become more pronounced, reflecting their distinct design philosophies. The Razer Blade 16, with its focus on refinement, finally offers an improved typing experience in 2025. It features extended key travel, which makes long typing sessions more comfortable and provides a more satisfying tactile feel. The per-key RGB chroma lighting is a signature feature that remains fully customizable. The touchpad is another standout component, a massive glass precision trackpad that is exceptionally smooth and responsive, easily rivaling the best in the industry. The Gigabyte Aorus Master 16, on the other hand, struggles in this area. While it includes per-key RGB lighting and features a translucent WASD key design, the keyboard itself is a weak point. The typing experience is mushy and imprecise, with shallow key travel and sometimes unresponsive function keys. The touchpad is functional but lacks the premium feel of the Blade 16's glass-covered surface. The Blade 16's input peripherals are clearly superior and contribute significantly to its overall premium feel, while the Aorus Master 16's keyboard and touchpad are merely serviceable. In terms of camera and speakers, both laptops offer a baseline experience that is adequate for most users, but may not satisfy those with high expectations for a premium device. The Razer Blade 16 is equipped with a 1080p webcam that includes Windows Hello facial recognition. The camera provides clear and sharp video quality that is perfectly fine for video calls and casual streaming. The front-firing stereo speakers deliver loud and clear sound that is good enough for general use, though the review notes that external headphones or speakers are still recommended for a more immersive gaming experience. The Gigabyte Aorus Master 16 also has a 1080p webcam with Windows Hello support. The image quality is functional but not a standout feature, falling short of the quality found in some competitors. The Aorus Master 16's audio is a dual-speaker setup that is serviceable but unremarkable, lacking in bass and volume, and easily overwhelmed by the laptop's noisy fans. For anyone prioritizing a high-quality camera or rich audio without external peripherals, the Razer Blade 16 offers a more refined experience. Finally, the battery life of these two machines presents a significant point of comparison, particularly when considering their thermal and power philosophies. The Razer Blade 16, with its 90 watt-hour battery and efficient AMD Ryzen processor, offers impressive endurance for a gaming laptop. It is capable of providing approximately 8 to 9 hours of battery life during light use, and thanks to the efficiency of NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and battery boost, can deliver over 2 hours of actual gaming away from a power source. This is a major leap forward for mobile gaming. The Gigabyte Aorus Master 16 also features a large battery and benefits from the efficiency of the new Blackwell architecture, allowing it to provide around 90 minutes of unplugged gaming. However, its productivity battery life is less impressive, offering only about 5 to 6 hours of mixed use. When compared to the AMD-powered Razer Blade 16, the Aorus Master 16's endurance falls short, making it less ideal for users who need a machine that can last all day on a single charge. The Razer's ability to balance powerful performance with excellent efficiency gives it a clear advantage for users who need a laptop for both gaming and daily productivity on the go. In a direct comparison of raw power, both showcase two different but equally potent combinations of cutting-edge hardware. At the core of the Blade 16 is the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor, which is paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5090 mobile GPU. This AMD chip is designed to balance efficiency and power, with a built-in Radeon 890M integrated GPU that can handle lighter workloads to extend battery life. The RTX 5090 Mobile, with its 150-watt TGP and 24GB of GDDR7 video RAM, is comparable to a desktop RTX 5080 in terms of raw performance. The Aorus Master 16, on the other hand, is built around Intel's latest Arrow Lake HX Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, a 24-core CPU with a boost clock of up to 5.4 GHz. This Intel chip is a monster in raw performance, often outpacing the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 in CPU-heavy benchmarks like Cinebench and Blender, which makes it a formidable choice for demanding, processor-intensive tasks. When it comes to content creation and editing, both laptops are exceptional machines, each with its own advantages. The Razer Blade 16, with its powerful GPU and fast CPU, handles tasks like 8K video editing in DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro with remarkable ease. Its strong CUDA and RT core performance make it highly suitable for 3D workloads in applications like Blender, while the 24 GB of video RAM and tensor cores future-proof it for AI-assisted workflows. The Aorus Master 16, equipped with the powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, also excels in content creation. The strong multi-core performance of the Intel CPU makes it an excellent choice for 3D rendering and multitasking. The RTX GPU acceleration further enhances performance in applications like DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro, resulting in some of the fastest render and export times in its class. Additionally, the Aorus Master 16 offers a significant advantage in expandability, with dual M2 slots and support for up to 64 GB of RAM, which is a compelling feature for professionals who require more memory and storage than the Razer's soldered RAM and limited slots allow. In the realm of gaming performance, both laptops deliver a top-tier experience, but they achieve it through different means. The Razer Blade 16 provides an excellent gaming experience, with its RTX 5090 mobile GPU delivering silky smooth frame rates and quiet operation. The laptop's new stepped cooling system is more efficient and quieter than previous models, keeping fan noise manageable even in performance mode. The gaming frame rates are comparable to desktop RTX 5080 levels, allowing for high-end gaming at 1440p 4K with ray tracing enabled. The Aorus Master 16, with its powerful RTX 5080 mobile GPU and aggressive cooling, is capable of delivering gaming frame rates on par with the RTX 5090 in the Razer Blade 16. The chunky chassis allows the GPU to run at a higher 175-watt TGP, which, along with excellent airflow, enables it to maintain high clock speeds. However, this comes at a significant cost: noise. In performance mode, the fans on the Aorus Master 16 are so loud that they can be distracting, and in turbo mode, they are unbearable. While both machines can deliver comparable frame rates in some scenarios, the Razer Blade 16 does so with a much quieter and more refined user experience. This is a classic showdown of brawn versus brains. The Gigabyte Aorus Master 16 is a brute force machine, delivering top-tier performance, but at the cost of a bulky chassis and excessive fan noise. The Razer Blade 16, however, is the more refined and balanced choice. Its superior build quality, quieter cooling, and impressive battery life make it the clear winner for a truly premium day-to-day experience.